Hello everyone! So I had this plain wooden box and I wanted to paint and decorate it. I didn't care for this original light color, so I decided to cover it over with dark brown acrylic paint. I was a little worried when I first started, because it seemed like it was going to take a lot of paint, but it ended up not being too bad. Adding a little bit of water helped spread it more as well. When I got that done, I started on the flowers. I used air dry clay to sculpt pastel, purple, pink, and blue flowers. Also, a few leaves to put in between. The first flower I made was kind of hard, and I didn't know if I was going to be able to get them done in time, but I found an easier way to make them, and I was able to get 15 of them done. If you guys want to see a tutorial video for sculpting flowers, leaves, or other things, tell me in the comments or leave a like on this video. Next, I wanted to add some depth to the flowers, so I painted lighter and darker shades on them to make them look more realistic. Then I arranged them on the box and hot glued them on. And it's done! If you like this video and want to see more, consider subscribing. See you in the next one!